Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this lesson we are going to learn about future tense. So let's get started. I will wake up early. I will wake up early. I will brush my teeth. I will brush my teeth. I will take shower. I will take a shower. I will make my bed. I will make my bed. I will prepare breakfast. I will prepare breakfast. I will pack lunch. I will pack lunch. I will get dressed. I will get dressed. I will check emails. I will check emails. I will leave for work. I will leave for work. I will attend the meeting. I will attend the meeting. I will take a walk. I will take a walk. I will call my friend. I will call my friend. I will buy groceries. I will buy groceries. I will cook dinner. I will cook dinner. I will wash dishes. I will wash dishes. I will help with homework. I will help with homework. I will take out the trash. I will take out the trash. I will set the alarm. I will set the alarm. I will prepare clothes. I will prepare clothes. I will water the plants. I will water the plants. I will exercise today. I will exercise today. I will relax with tea. I will relax with tea. I will watch a movie. I will watch a movie. I will charge my phone. I will charge my phone. I will open the windows. I will open the windows. I will sweep the floor. I will sweep the floor. I will wipe the table. I will wipe the table. I will wash the car. I will wash the car. I will plant a tree. I will plant a tree. I will pick flowers. I will pick flowers. I will play outside. I will play outside. I will take a walk. I will take a walk. I will fly a kite. I will build a sand castle. I will build a sand castle. I will play in the park. I will play in the park. I will swing on the swing. I will swing on the swing. I will slide down the slide. I will slide down the slide. I will climb the monkey bars. I will climb the monkey bar. I will play soccer. I will play soccer. I will kick the ball. I will kick the ball. I will hula hoop. I will hula hoop. I will play the piano. I will play the piano. I will paint a rainbow. I will paint a rainbow. I will mold clay. I will mold clay. I will help my teacher. I will help my teacher. I will be a good student. I will be a good student. I will listen to my parents. I will listen to my parents. I will say good morning. I will say good morning. I will say good night. I will say good night. I will take a bath. I will take a bath. I will brush my hair. I will brush my hair. I will put on my pajamas. I will put on my pajamas. I will go to bed on time. I will go to bed on time. I will make new friends. I will make new friends. I will learn to see. I will learn to see. I will play with my toys. I will play with my toys. I will jump on the trampoline. I will jump on the trampoline. I will play hide and seek. I will play hide and seek. I will throw the frisbee. I will throw the frisbee. I will climb the tree. I will climb the tree. I will blow bubble. I will blow bubbles. I will splash in the puddles. I will splash in the puddles. I will play with my pet. I will play with my pet. I will color in my book. I will color in my book. I will play with my train set. I will play with my train set. I will play in the rain. I will play in the rain. I will make a paper airplane. I will make a paper airplane. I will take my medicine. I will take my medicine. I will rest in bed. I will rest in bed. I will go to the doctor. I will go to the doctor. I will wear my mask. I will wear my mask. I will wash my face. I will wash my face. I will comb my hair. I will comb my hair. I will get rest. I will get rest. I will tie my shoes. I will tie my shoes. I will eat breakfast. I will eat breakfast. I will pick my bag. I will pick my bag. I will go to school. I will go to school. I will greet my teachers. I will greet my teachers. I will sit in my seat. I will sit in my seat. I will raise my hand. I will raise my hand. I will listen carefully. I will listen carefully. I will do my homework. I will do my homework. I will read a book. I will read a book. I will write my name. I will write my name. I will draw a picture. I will draw a picture. I will play with my friends. I will play with my friends. I will share my toys. I will share my toys. I will eat lunch. I will eat lunch. I will drink water. I will drink water. I will follow the rules. I will follow the rules. I will wash my hands. I will wash my hands. I will say please. I will say please. I will listen to stories. I will listen to stories. I will clap my hands. I will clap my hands. I will jump high. I will jump high. I will run fast. I will run fast. I will skip rope. I will skip rope. I will ride my bike. I will ride my bike. I will tie my laces. I will tie my laces. I will help my friends. I will help my friends. I will say sorry. I will say sorry. I will forgive others. I will forgive others. I will tell the truth. I will tell the truth. I will pack my lunch. I will pack my lunch. I will water the plants. I will water the plants. I will help my mom. I will help my mom. I will clean my room. I will clean my room. I will pick up toys. I will pick up toys. I will fold my clothes. I will fold my clothes. I will make my bed. I will make my bed. I will set the table. I will set the table. I will feed the pets. I will feed the pets. I will wash the dishes. I will wash the dishes. I will sweep the floor. I will sweep the floor. I will help cook dinner. I will help cook dinner. I will bake cookies. I will bake cookies. I will put away groceries. I will put away groceries. I will carry the bags. I will carry the bags. I will wake up early. I will wake up early. I will brush my teeth. I will brush my teeth. I will take shower. I will take shower. I will make my bed. I will make my bed. I will prepare breakfast. I will prepare breakfast. I will pack lunch. I will pack lunch. I will get dressed. I will get dressed. I will check emails. I will check emails. I will leave for work. I will leave for work. I will attend the meeting. I will attend the meeting. I will take a walk. I will take a walk. I will call my friend. I will call my friend. I will buy groceries. I will buy groceries. I will cook dinner. I will cook dinner. I will wash dishes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.